Hi! In our previous lessons, we've been able to cover up how to play Solfa notes on guitar, also known as major scale on guitar. First position, second position, third position. Here's the first position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Second position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Third position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And also how to link the first and the second position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And how to link the second and the third position using the first position. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re. I'm playing around the positions as well. Like now, I'm on the second position. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti. Heading towards the third position. Ti, do, re. On the third position. On the third position now. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Heading back to the second position. Do, ti. First position. La, sol, fa, mi, re, do. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching on how to play Solfa notes on guitar, also known as major scale, on the fourth position. Our root is still on G, the third fret of the sixth string. Here's our first note on the third fret, Do. Second note on the fifth fret, Re. The next note on the seventh fret, Mi. The next note on the eighth fret, Fa. The next note on the 10th fret, Sol. We are now on the fourth position. Take note, here is a common boundary between the fourth position and the third position. Sol. Still using finger 1, La. On this sixth string, there are two notes here on the fourth position, Sol, La. Let's proceed to the next string, which is A string of string 5. There are three notes here, Ti, Do, Re. The T is on the 9th fret. The T is on the 9th fret, T on the 9th fret, Do on the 10th fret, Re on the 12th fret. Ti, Do, Re. Play this as many times as possible. Ti, Do, Re. Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re. Let's proceed to the next string. String 4 or D string. On this D string, there are three notes here. Mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, sol. The Mi is on the 9th fret, Fa on the 10th fret, Sol on the 12th fret. Mi, Fa, Sol. Do this as many times as possible. Mi, fa, sol. The next string, which is G string or third string, there are three notes here. La, ti, do, La, ti, do. La on the 9th fret, La, ti, ti, C on the 11th fret, Do on the 12th fret, La, Ti, Do. The next string, which is B string or second string, there are 3 notes here, Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa. Re on the 10th fret, Mi on the 12th fret, Fa on the 13th fret, Re, Mi, Fa. The next string, which is the high E string or the 4th string, there are 2 notes here, Sol, La, Sol, La, So. So on the 10th fret, La on the 12th fret, So, La. From the beginning once again, Do. 3rd fret, Re. 5th fret, Mi. 7th fret, Fa. 8th fret, So. 10th fret, La. 12th fret, Si. 9th fret, Do. 10th fret, Re. 12th fret, Mi. 9th fret, Fa. 10th fret, So. 12th fret, La. 9th fret, Ti. 11th fret, Do. 12th fret, Re. 10th fret, Mi. 12th fret, Fa. 13th fret, So. 10th fret, La. 12th fret. The same manner you ascended the notes, the same manner you descend the notes. So, Fa, So, which is on the 12th fret, descending the note, So, Fa, on the 10th fret, then the next string, Fa, Mi, Re, Fa, Mi, Re. The next string, Do, Si, La, Do, Si, La. The next string, So, Fa, Mi, So, Fa, Mi. The next string, Re, Do, Ti, Re, Do, Ti. The next string, La, Sol, La, Sol. Heading towards the root now, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. I have an assignment for you. Your assignment is to do this 4th position on every key that is on this 6th string. Your assignment is to do this 4th position on every key that is on the 6th string. So you have to study the finger movement and finger pattern and do the same thing on every key. For example, here is G, G sharp, A, key A, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Now on the fourth position, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Another example, here is G, here is F, F sharp. We are going to apply the same finger movement on key F. Here, the first fret of the sixth string, do, F, take note, key F, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Back to F. Key F sharp, do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Back to F sharp. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video of fifth position.